Hi, my name is Camille McDonald and I'm a family lawyer in the Family Law Department at Andersons. I work from our Port Adelaide office. I've been practicing law for approximately 4.5 years. I graduated from the University of Adelaide in 2008 and received a double degree in law and international studies. I decided to do law actually halfway through year 12. It was a bit of an impromptu decision, I suppose. I wanted to pick a career that was people oriented. I wanted to pick a career where I was talking to different people on a daily basis, and also pick a career that had something to do with solving complex issues, and the law offered all of those things. A specific incident that I remember as a lawyer, which I suppose you could say touched my heart, was a particularly grateful client that I had. Her matter was very complex. It involved children's issues. She had a very limited budget and she was very stretched with her finances. Her matter ended up working out quite well. We worked very hard on it together as a client and lawyer, and she got the outcome that she wanted. After her matter concluded, she came to me with a gift, and it was actually a bottle of perfume. And I had mentioned to her as we were working together that her perfume smelled nice. And so at the end of the matter, she bought me that very bottle of perfume. And I was really touched by that because she didn't have money, and she was stressed and she had a very difficult situation, but she was so grateful that she gave me a gift, and that's always sort of stayed with me, that gratefulness throughout my practice. And when I have a difficult day, I like to refer back to that situation and think about it, and it makes my job worthwhile when the clients are really grateful. Well, I do have a lot of passions outside of the law. I think it's absolutely imperative in order to be a good lawyer, that you have passions outside of the law. My main passion is I'm a very dedicated gym junkie. So I love my running, I love lifting weights. I go to the gym probably about on average 5 to 6 times a week, and I also do running outside of the gym as well. So I think having that opportunity to maintain optimum health, I think also helps with you mentally in your job in the law, and it means that I'm able to operate as the best lawyer I can be because I feel physically fit and well. I think having a work-life balance is particularly important, and again it's imperative to have that in order to be a good lawyer. Andersons thankfully are very supportive of my work-life balance. I work part-time, I have a young daughter and I have another child on the way. Andersons are very supportive of my family life, and they're willing to incorporate that around my work. They are aware as well that I have passions outside of the law, including being a gym junkie and being devoted to that. So we work together in order for me to have that balance, and I think that makes me a better lawyer. I'm able to be a really good mum and a good wife at home, and I'm also able to be a really good lawyer in the time that I'm in the office, and thankfully Andersons accommodate that. I think what clients like about me is that I'm very straight down the line and direct. I don't suffer fools gladly, and I'm very, very results focused. So essentially, when I meet you, I act just like a normal person. I don't put on airs and graces. I don't act like I'm sitting in my ivory tower being a lawyer as such. I like to get down onto your level and discuss your issue and look at what results we can achieve by working together throughout your matter.